Make a great choice today with the 2022 Malibu. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio internet radio, Stitcher, audio internet radio, tune-in, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed sensitive volume control,